Corsair has once again raised the bar in the gaming headset market. With the release of the Corsair Void Wireless V2, this upgraded version takes a massive leap from its predecessor, the Corsair Void RGB Elite. Especially in battery life, boasting an astonishing 130 hours on Bluetooth, compared to just 16 hours on the previous model. For gamers and tech enthusiasts looking for exceptional sound, comfort, and endurance at a reasonable price, the Void Wireless V2 is turning heads for all the right reasons. True to Corsair's tradition, the Void Wireless V2 carries a design aesthetic reminiscent of a sleek spaceship. The headset features two elongated ear cups, padded with soft mesh fabric that feel incredibly comfortable during extended gaming sessions. While it doesn't use premium aluminum materials like the higher-end Corsair Virtuoso, the Void Wireless V2's plastic body is solidly built with a matte finish that feels high quality and resistant to fingerprints. The model comes in two color options, black and white. In this review, we focus on the white variant, which impresses with a subtle and sophisticated color scheme. Unlike overly bright or flashy white headphones, the Void Wireless V2 adopts a cool, muted white tone paired perfectly with gray accents. This makes the headset stylish, yet understated, with a modern, minimalist gaming vibe. The iconic Corsair sales logo is tastefully placed on both ear cups, adding a touch of elegance. The overall design strikes a balance between simplicity and futuristic flair, making it equally suitable for gamers who prefer a sleek look without the usual RGB extravagance. Weighing just 300 grams, the Void Wireless V2 is surprisingly light for a wireless over-ear headset. The thick mesh padding on the ear cups and the fabric-covered headband provide a plush fit that feels soft and gentle on the skin. This combination ensures you can wear it comfortably for hours, without fatigue or pressure. Despite its all-plastic construction, the build quality is impressive. No creaks or flexing even when twisted or bent. The ear cups can also fold flat by rotating 90 degrees for easy storage in backpacks or gaming bags, which adds to its portability. Corsair's attention to detail shines through in the placement of the headset's controls. All essential buttons, power, multifunction, volume, wheel, and charging port, are consolidated on the left ear cup. This intuitive setup reduces fumbling during gameplay and allows users to adjust settings quickly without confusion. A subtle LED strip runs along the front edge of each ear cup, providing connection and status indicators. These lighting effects are customizable via Corsair's IQ software, which also offers an equalizer to fine-tune the sound profile to your preferences. Whether for gaming or music, the Void Wireless V2 is equipped with dual wireless connection modes, a 2.4 GHz dongle and Bluetooth. This flexibility allows users to seamlessly switch between devices, whether it's a PC, console, or mobile phone. Notably, Corsair claims a wireless range of up to 50 meters, far surpassing the typical 10-meter range of most wireless gaming headsets. This means you can move freely around your room or gaming setup without worrying about signal dropouts or latency issues. Corsair Void Wireless V2's audio performance is outstanding, especially considering its price point. The 50mm neodymium drivers inside each ear cup deliver rich, immersive sound with excellent depth and clarity. In gaming, the headset excels at reproducing realistic soundscapes, from the crisp crack of gunfire and the subtle footsteps of approaching enemies to the dynamic environmental sounds that elevate immersion in real-time strategy and first-person shooter games. The soundstage feels wide and detailed, helping gamers locate action cues precisely. The omnidirectional microphone features advanced noise cancellation technology, ensuring your voice comes through crystal clear during multiplayer matches. It filters out ambient noise effectively, so you don't need to raise your voice to be heard by teammates. This makes communication smooth and reliable even in chaotic gaming sessions. When switching to music, the Void Wireless V2 continues to impress. The drivers handle various genres, with finesse, delivering punchy, controlled bass without overpowering mids or highs. Energetic styles like EDM, pop, house, and hardstyle shine with excellent clarity and lively energy, rivaling some premium gaming headsets in the market. Corsair's IQ software is a standout feature that enhances the headset's versatility. It comes preloaded with sound profiles optimized for gaming and music, which can be further tweaked through the built-in EQ settings. Users can also customize LED lighting effects, monitor battery status, and configure button functions. This level of control helps gamers tailor the Void Wireless V2's performance to their exact needs. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Corsair Void Wireless V2 is its battery endurance, offering up to 130 hours on Bluetooth mode. This headset outlasts almost all competitors in its class by a wide margin. For gamers who dislike frequent charging interruptions, this is a game changer. When connected via the 2.4 GHz dongle, the headset still manages a remarkable 60 hours of continuous use. Both connection modes provide outstanding longevity, ensuring the headset can support long gaming marathons or daily use without concern. The charging speed is equally notable. Just 15 minutes of charging delivers approximately 6 hours of playback, making it easy to top up quickly before jumping back into action. The Corsair Void Wireless V2 gaming headset represents exceptional value in the wireless gaming audio space. With its futuristic yet understated design, lightweight comfort, versatile connectivity, and highly customizable sound, it delivers a premium experience usually reserved for much more expensive models. Its extraordinary battery life sets a new benchmark for wireless gaming headsets, eliminating one of the biggest pain points for gamers on the go. Whether you are a casual gamer, a competitive player, or someone who enjoys music and entertainment on the side, the Void Wireless V2 is a worthy contender that checks all the boxes. If you want a reliable, great sounding, and long-lasting wireless gaming headset without breaking the bank, Corsair's latest offering is undoubtedly worth a close look.